life on Earth, whales, trees, and the bacteria beneath our feet, shares a single origin. For centuries, humans imagined a ladder of progress with ourselves at the top. The microscope and molecular biology would dismantle that illusion. Early naturalists like Linnaeus classified life by appearance. Microbes, invisible to the eye, were relegated to chaos. Even after Pasteur and Koch proved bacteria were alive, scientists could describe them only by shape or disease. But appearance is deceptive. Two identical-looking microbes might differ more than a tree and a tiger. In the 1970s, Carl Woese changed everything. Instead of classifying by form, he compared the molecular code of ribosomal RNA, the universal machinery of all cells. Among known bacteria, he found a lineage so distinct that it did not belong to any recognized group. He named them Archaea, the ancient ones. Archaea resembled bacteria in size, but not in chemistry. Their membranes, enzymes, and genes were unique. Many lived in boiling springs or salt lakes, feeding on sulfur or methane. Woese realized that life divides into three domains: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. The last, including all animals and plants. Life was not a hierarchy, but a branching tree with microbes at its base. This discovery transformed biology. Microbes were not peripheral, they were the foundation. As DNA sequencing advanced, scientists uncovered entire worlds of uncultured species. Through metagenomics, they found that a single teaspoon of soil contains thousands of microbial types exchanging genes and nutrients. Life, it turned out, was a web of connections rather than a chain of ascent. Molecular evidence also revealed the origins of complex cells. Mitochondria and chloroplasts, organelles that power and feed eukaryotes, are the descendants of free-living bacteria that merged with ancient host cells. What began as symbiosis became permanence. Every breath, every leaf, bears the mark of that microbial union. Today, new branches keep emerging. Giant viruses blur the line between living and non-living. Asgard archaea share genes once thought unique to eukaryotes, hinting at the moment complexity began. From ocean vents to frozen ice cores, evolution continues to whisper through unseen cells. The microbial family tree reveals a humbling truth. Humans and trees occupy mere twigs, while bacteria and archaea form the great canopy of life. For most of Earth's history, microbes were the only inhabitants. To study their ancestry is to read evolution's first manuscript, written in rRNA, preserved in every cell. The story of life is not one of dominance, but of connection, an unbroken conversation from the first cell to us.